Okay, so this tutorial is for you guys to use it to find out how you can answer the writing assignment, okay? How can you answer the questions using this Google document, okay? The assignment is about simple subjects and simple predicates. Remember that a subject is formed with a noun, okay? So if a sentence has a noun at the first part of the sentence, that would be the subject, okay? And the predicate talks about what the subject is doing, okay? So in this case, simple subjects and simple predicates are only one word for each. Okay, so for the simple subject, we just need to find one word that is a noun, okay? And the simple predicate is one word that shows the action, okay? What type of speech or what part of speech shows the action? What's that called? Verbs, okay? It's called a verb, okay? So the simple subject is a noun and the simple predicate is a verb. Okay, so let's go ahead and look right here inside the square, inside the box. Okay, so let me zoom in so that we can see it clearly. Okay, so it says right here, a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. The simple subject is the main word or words that tell who or what the sentence is about. Okay, so it could either be one word or two words, okay, depending on what type of noun the simple subject is. Okay, and then the simple predicate is the main word or words that tell what the subject is or does. What the subject is or what is the subject doing. It could be one word or two. Okay, most of the times is one word. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the example. Okay, the students learned about gravity in science class. Okay, so the word that's underlined is students. That is a noun, right? So this is considered the simple subject of the sentence. Okay, and the word learned is circled. Okay, learned is past tense for learn. This is a verb, so this is considered a simple predicate. Okay, so in this sentence, it's the simple subject and the simple predicate. Okay, one word for the simple subject, one word for the simple predicate. All right. Okay, so the instructions in this exercise says to underline the simple subject and circle the simple predicate. Okay, so what we are going to do is, of course, read the first sentence. What does the first sentence say? The students research gravity. Okay, the students research gravity. Okay, what is a simple subject? You can go back to the example to check. Okay, the students learned about gravity in science class. So the word students is the simple subject. How am I going to underline that word if I'm using my computer or my cell phone? Okay, so to do that, we're gonna click on this link right here, which is called line. We're gonna click on that, and then we're going to drag our mouse across the word students. Okay, we have created a line. Okay, if you want to add more, like if you want to make it thicker, you can. Okay, click right here and pick like 3. I think it's okay. If you want to change its color, you can click right here and pick whatever color you would like. Okay, I always like to use red because color red stands out. Okay, so simple subject, underline the simple subject. What about circling the simple predicate? How can I circle the simple predicate in this sentence? Remember that the simple predicate is a verb. Okay, most of the times it will just be one word or two. Okay, in this case, research is the simple predicate. How am I going to circle it? Okay, very easy. We're gonna click on this link right here, that's called shape. We're gonna click right there, and then we're gonna go with the first option, and then we're gonna find the circle. Oops. We're gonna click on the circle. Okay, so we're going to click our mouse, drag the circle okay, and boom, there it is, okay. All right, so what I want you to do here is that I want you to eliminate the filling of the circle by clicking right here and then choose transparent. Okay, and then again, you can make your line thicker and you can change its color. All right, so that's the simple predicate. Okay, so let's look at number two. Number two, Butch and Frank found a website about it. Okay, what's the simple subject? Butch and Frank found a website about it. Remember that a simple subject is a noun. Nouns can either be a person, a place, a thing, or an idea, or a feeling. Okay, so in this case, I have Butch and Frank. Those are names of persons, yes or no? Okay, so in this case, Butch and Frank are both my simple subject. Okay, so I can click on this line again and then I can copy it by right clicking on it. Okay, copy, and then I can click right here and then right click again and click paste. And then I can drag with my mouse, I can drag my line, okay, and I can even change its length. Okay, Butch and Frank. Okay, Butch and Frank, and then I can click on my circle, right click, copy my circle, and paste. Okay, to circle found, because found is a simple predicate, and I can even make it smaller. Okay, found. Okay, Butch and Frank found a website. Okay, if copying and pasting is very hard for you, what you can do is, for example, on number 3, the teacher read the website aloud. What's the simple subject? Who is a noun in this sentence? Teacher. Teacher is a word that is telling me a person. Okay, so this is my noun. Okay, so if copying and pasting is very hard for you, you can go back and click on line and then drag a line, okay, and then change its color if you want, change its width, its thickness if you want, and that's it. Okay, the teacher. What is the teacher doing, or what did the teacher do in this case? He read or she read the website aloud. So the simple predicate is a verb. In this case, the word read is past tense for read. Okay, so again, I'm gonna click on shapes again, click on circle, right? And drag my circle to around the word read. Okay, don't forget that you have to go back and click where it says right here, fill color, transparent. We don't want any filling because we need to be able to read the word. And then you can also change the color of the line of the shape and its thickness. Okay, that is what I want you to do on your assignment. Remember, you don't have to save your assignment. When you work on the assignment, is automatically saving your work, so you don't have to click save anywhere. Okay, so when you're ready, you can go back and look at your assignment, which is this one right here. It's let me find it because I want you to. Okay, it's right here, simple subjects and simple predicates. Okay, so if you don't know where I am at, let me go back. Okay, so we're gonna go to writing. Okay, simple subjects and simple predicates. Okay, go to the instructions. All right, simple subjects and simple predicates. Okay, click there. Okay, and then go over go over the instructions. I already provided some red text. Okay, remember that every time you see red text where it says edit text, okay, you have the opportunity of changing it. Okay, let me zoom in so that we can see this, okay, better. Okay, so right here where it says edit text, of course, I'm going to click right there and it's asking for my name. Okay, so I'm gonna write my name. Okay, And then go over the instructions. Again, it's the same instructions and it's the same description that we already read on the exercise. Okay, again, simple subject is one word or two, okay, that tells the noun what noun is in the sentence. And then simple predicate is the verb or verbs. Okay, it could either be one or two words for the simple predicate. Okay, so simple subject, simple predicate. The school staff, simple subject, awaited, simple predicate, the delivery of the package. Okay, you, simple subject, hold the door open, please. Okay, this word you is not part of the sentence, but okay, since this is a command, this sentence is telling me an order. Okay, so I assume that you or I, okay, is the simple subject. Okay, so from 1 through 4, read the complete sentences below, underline the simple subject, and circle the simple predicate. The first one's already done for you. I wanted to do that one because I wanted, okay, for you to have the opportunity of copying and pasting these two lines, this line and this circle, that it doesn't have filling anymore. Okay, so feel free to click on the line, then right click with your mouse, copy it, okay, and then right click again and paste it, okay, so that you can find out which word is a simple subject, and then you can use this line, okay, to underline it. And for the same thing with the circle, right click on the circle, copy the circle, and then you can go right here, okay, and then you can click paste, all right, so that you can have that circle. If you need to make it bigger or smaller, you can drag these blue squares, okay, to make them bigger or smaller. Okay, so for number 1 through 4, you need to underline and circle. Underline the simple subject, circle the simple predicate. For number 5 through 7, you have to read the complete sentence, write the simple subject, and circle the simple predicate. So instead of underlining the simple subject, you're going to write it. Okay, so you're going to click on edit text. And for example, if you think that morning is a simple subject, you're going to type morning on the line. Okay, and to circle the simple predicate, you can either, okay, right click on the circle, copy it, and then paste it, and then you can use the circle to come here, down here, and try to figure out which word is the verb so that you can circle that word and identify it as a simple predicate. Okay, same thing for number 6, same thing for number 7. When you are ready to submit your work, you just have to click on the X to close, okay, the window, okay, and then click on Turning. Okay, you can't see Turning here because this is a teacher's version of the classroom. Okay, hit me up with the text if you have any questions, all right? See you on the next video.